You won't believe what happened at the office today, Sam exclaimed as he burst through the door. Sarah looked up from her book, intrigued. What now? She asked. Remember old Mr. Jenkins? Sam continued. Well, he brought his parrot to work. A parrot at work? That was already hilarious. It gets better, Sam said, barely containing his laughter. The parrot started mimicking Jenkins, saying, "You're fired," to everyone who walked by. You should have seen the chaos. Sarah couldn't help but laugh. Wait, there's more, Sam added. The boss thought it was Jenkins and nearly had a heart attack. Jenkins had to explain it was the parrot. Boss wasn't amused, but everyone else was in stitches. Sarah shook her head, still giggling. Only at your office, Sam. Only at your office.